Here's a question that confuses almost every student. Why is 0 factorial equal to 1? At first glance, it doesn't make any sense. After all, factorial means multiplying numbers together. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. Now notice the hidden pattern. 5 factorial equals 5 multiplied by 4 factorial. 3 factorial equals 3 multiplied by 2 factorial. In general, n factorial equals n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. Now let's use this formula when n equals 1. 1 factorial equals 1 multiplied by 0 factorial. But 1 factorial is already equal to 1, so we have 1 equals 1 multiplied by 0 factorial. And hence, 0 factorial equals 1. That's why mathematicians define 0 factorial as 1. It keeps the factorial pattern true for every positive integer. Now here's your next challenge. What do you think is the value of 1 divided by infinity? Is it 0, 1, infinity, or something else? Comment your answer below and I'll explain it in the next video.